Understanding World Citizenship, a Global Perspective. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept that's becoming more and more important in our interconnected world: world citizenship. It's not just about the place you were born or the passport you hold. It's a broader and more inclusive idea. So, let's dive in and understand what it means to be a citizen of the world. World citizenship goes beyond the legal or political concept of citizenship of a specific country. It's about seeing yourself as a part of a global community, rather than just a member of a single nation or culture. World citizens feel a sense of responsibility towards the planet and humanity as a whole. They value diversity, understand global issues, and strive to make the world a better place through their actions and decisions. The idea of world citizenship isn't new. It can be traced back to ancient philosophies and civilizations. For instance, the Stoics of ancient Greece and Rome believed in the idea of being a citizen of the universe, living in harmony with all people. In the modern era, the concept has evolved, emphasizing global peace, environmental stewardship, and a commitment to human rights. What makes someone a world citizen? It's not about how many countries you've visited or languages you speak. It's about your values and actions. World citizens typically: 1. Understand and appreciate diversity. They respect and learn from different cultures and perspectives. 2. Stay informed about global issues. They educate themselves about challenges like climate change, poverty, and human rights. 3. Act responsibly. They make choices that promote sustainability, peace, and justice, thinking about the impact on the global community. 4. Promote inclusiveness. They work towards building communities where everyone feels valued and included, regardless of their background. In today's globalized world, our actions can have far-reaching effects. Issues like climate change, economic inequality, and pandemics don't recognize national borders. As world citizens, we can contribute to global solutions, promote understanding and cooperation, and help create a more just and sustainable world for everyone. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this video has given you a clearer picture of what it means to be a world citizen. Remember, embracing world citizenship is about broadening your perspective, caring for the planet, and working towards a better future for all. Let's all strive to be responsible members of our global community. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.